Benga semi Joseph.
Bibia ebo kodi.
Oh Yankoponado.
Yende Yankopon say na fi Tuasumaye na.
Wow.
Still live on Facebook, Metro 94.1. Metro 94.1 live on Facebook. Oko wa no akọ search engine mo. Oko o Facebook and no akọ search engine mo. No type Metro 94.1 FM. Ebe yama. No click the live button. O click so a na fi dia wo so jan ho na we ni na no wo dia to ho no. Mariba inko.
Well, power and sounds in chat if na mo makọ once again and famra kasa video. So na Enra and a proper legend of African football.
A proper legend
of African football. For me, Mekase or the greatest African player of all time. A man for me argue
the greatest African player of all
for
time.
Me and make me argue with facts why I think say he is the greatest. People will argue with George Opomanawia because he won the World Football of the Year in 1995 or Yade Oji. But after that, ask yourself, say, dear Biomna George Opomanawia with the Liberian national team, the Lone Star, or few on with PM or AC Milan. AC Milan and the time AC Milan and the Champions League power. Or PM or Chelsea team, or it may form any trophy beer of note. But Oka Samuel Eto'o power. This is a player in 718 matches, 359 goals, 116 assists, and our sons edging 22 major trophies. Now, make sure that the Finnish national team, no matter PM or club side, or any player because on the club side of Kwano Juma, or shall share with the 1998 World Cup, no the youngest ever player in that World Cup at age 17. NOD Cameroon national team Ekoye. And before that, no one making a debut just one day short of his 16 years birthday. And making a debut at the Cameroonian national team. Or to also head by the Sydney Olympics 2000 or Australia. Egg guided the Cameroonian national team 8 Nigeria. Sana Ghana Nigeria have conducted your power. Or guided Emma or my Cameroon 18 Edge 2002. African Cup of Nations was as a boy Emma Cameroon essence Ekoje or to also 2006 AFCON or Egypt Okoje top scorer Ewonomo or sounds to also 2008 Samuel Eto'o essence Eba Ghana animal Eba goal king Ewa Ghana animal or AFCON no. This a player that have won it all our national team 718 matches 56 goals for the Cameroon national team and no go play on AFCON. No single player, and I share a lot of goals. Editor Samuel Eto'o with some 18 goals. Edema the Cameroon national team or AFCON player Bia Antono. Waji AFCON no 2 times, and there was some Eto'o also end the club for and as a national format to the club side. After so fee the academy or Cameroon Oko PM or Real Madrid. Real Madrid ewun so because that time no more experienced players on the position. And go PM or Leganese or Leganese to Espanyol. To Mayoka, baby, no be no Jan legacy of scoring goals at Mayoka power. People name no Ekase. He is their all-time top scorer, Real Mayoka. Of in 2004, he is still their all-time top scorer with 54 goals and on share anymore. And this a player go Barcelona. Power under Barcelona did the Champions League of 1992. No NGBU. This the player or no NMA Barcelona did that Champions League of 2006. Moeka Ronaldinho, Bepo and Brano Wati Kanama Barcelona. To a time and Arsenal LED. Now Barcelona for holes and everything they be ever form. But Samuel Eto'o and share that equalizer. And then Juliana Bellet share that winning goal in Barcelona in 2006. 205 power, FIFA for AE or player of the year. Not us third, or Saint Thierry Henry,
okay,
or Saint Adriano, or Saint Kaka, or Saint Steven Gerrard more as the best player in the world. And only Frank James Lampard and Ronaldinho de Assis Moreira Gaucho and the team sign on. Or to also 209 or sounds go PM to the Champions League final sounds Eshego 206 final Eshego 209 or sounds Eshego and now Barcelona for your margin some emperor I'm going to Zlatan or go PM Inter Milan and some Ekoji the treble or the Coppa Italia or the Italian Serie A edge the Champions League or we and Osaka the Club World Cup the first player to win the European treble 2 different clubs or the Barcelona edge the treble or Sanso edge the Inter Milan the treble Essence edge back-to-back Champions League and a few players and a team Paulo Fonseca and the coach Edema AS Roma talk of Marcel Desailly no aka Gerard Piqué mu omo na the only few players matimi ayade Samuel Eto'o etim Edema Barcelona and Inter Milan Paul Santos Eto'o ombrana bienim tene kaya na wie no oko PM ewo Antalyaspor ewo Turkey about 76 matches e more than 46 goals and more a club side in the league more and the Qatar FC and Andra otimi making 97 when they were wie the football part this a player can asemi who compare or no to George Weah Paul who will you regard as the greatest player per this stats
but Madiba
okay
normally on say you compare me Paul I have a huge issue with even no more player mo trade war Abotire Kwan. How was Samuel Eto'o's huge influence on a continent Sabia the local football no company huge influence because me who say one player back so a bit my boni in this contest Mohamed Aboutrika or you be a one to coin there but the huge influence on the African soil Power is serious for Lali and even the Egyptian national team.
But in fact, Madiba is bringing is it some sort of a debate. Yeah. Samuel Eto'o is the greatest African footballer of all time.
Yeah,
in fact, Matrebi Bia told me what on Samuel Eto'o announced his retirement yesterday. Many believe he's the greatest African footballer of all time. Do you agree?
Yeah. I think also for my agent you know in the power
na honey account no Emmanuel Emba Power Mensa Emmanuel Emba Power Mensa
me name Madiba ya because so but
let mani we any submission na no or the my no why uhunu say Eto'o is the greatest African footballer of all time
na Mike Ebusan influence all African football power how can you announce yourself to the continent of Africa than winning the Olympic gold medal and the man African team that's Cameroon how many African teams and I did the Olympic gold medals Owie and power once one and in the African Cup of Nations he is the record holder of goals with some 18
all-time top scorer
back to back golden boots or AFCON 2006 and 2008 power it's not that he is doing it for only in the class side though. On say Obeka Drogba into now every coast for Kwana to that no more regarding Drogba to Drogba equal Chelsea and no any Numa or back national team share and Drogba but this is a proper legend for Africa who needs nusu so Aboutrika Elali power we won't be grudging or yare the man Elali team no or retire some matter of fact Elali ended the Champions League Timia Bomber Egypt added the AFCON and two back to back team edge but ask yourself say emuni na wie no or to the nema Eto'o Cameroon from the youth football to the club the senior national team to the club side Barcelona
at the national level
yeah
was Eto'o successful than Aboutrika
at the national level or the AFCON 2 times or the 2006 2008 2010 Abraham Eba Gabon wa maybe 22 Angola no count check body 2
Ahmed
Gedo Nagi be share diary check no count that score OG2 Samuel Eto'o OG2 2000 and 2002
okay
Samuel Eto'o and Madika I don't want to repeat only all-time top scorer in the AFCON this the player about AFCON for each and every time captain Cameroon team Biano and force one align come enable power on force on Patrick Mboma on Jeremy Ditabana Debbie Oyene de Mose Eto'o even in 2006 their power in that game of Eddie Fimu in that semi-finals Ochre in the grand final against Egypt in the Ghana Eddie Hanamo Eto'o influence all in the team no so and we qualify finals 3 times Olusu back to Egypt in 2008 and Oji Mienu at age 17 no World Cup the tell to play and the quality on national team so at class size or prove all Mayoka me say every power Mayoka or Spain on them all time scorer in 2004 play beer and show goals and fan to Samuel Eto'o at Barcelona or 108 league goals and Barcelona in some 140 something matches and Barcelona team we or call Inter Milan power not Diego Milito so more lines no on ember from the rings yes sir no deliver them all so for me you can mention the names but I will always say Eto'o is the greatest African player of all time. Moving on, power.
I strongly believe that Mohamed Aboutrika for El Krampo as a club, no.
Because at the national level, until if to say their records are not with him. We had the AFCON twice, we saw it twice.
Yeah.
But at the national level, individually, Eto were more honest than Trigger.
Because of the Olympic Games gold medal ultimate.
African Footballer of the Year.
Or the 4 times. Or the 3
Abutuka no Njibida, but locally in terms of a CAF Champions League best players, no Sujibi. And we went into a certain era. You see, Paul, we went into a certain era. And you believe it's a foreign players, no huge influence on local players.
About Champions League. Now the Champions League player of the tournament. The year and the review, the whole continent, best player there. So award number. You understand? Say you about Champions League. What the best performer at the Champions League Europe day? Near you European best, now European best, a different player. So award now with you as Champions League player of the tournament, you know. And no more European best in the and the same thing on the continent of Africa. What the CAF Champions League best player and the African player of the year and more.
Yeah, and the whole world cannot toss me, sir.
Chromo senior Mabisa, Kadioma Kabuti, Kadiode Elali, and Europa, and Kebian UEFA best and Mohammed Abutri Kabet Majibi, which we know, per how or the Elali, Etimije the CAF Champions League. Mike
Schneider edgy treble with Inter Milan, but one day European best player, one day world best player. Ribery edgy treble with Bayern Munich. One day European best. Someone was better than him.
William say yeah, African Interclub Player of the Year. And then no UEFA Player of the Year no any more change there. But can with the title name now, Kebi and Kenon and Kewabu Chen and UEFA best player. And Yenya Mohammed Abutrika all Jennifer Bear 4 times.
Yeah, no UEFA best player.
Power minimum say
Champions League
player
of the year.
May aware. And Champions League Player of the Year and Yabama award no UEFA best player award as you. And when you be awards no. Yen in chain and when you be his awards no. And we Mohammed Abutrika winning it in 2006. Was Abedin in 2008. Obeka about 2012 and 2013. And they do maybe require ball. No Kasa about say about
Champions League Player of the Year okay.
Yeah, African Interclub. Yeah. And power yebesa so rema even in the Confederations Cup Campono open nipa Campo top assist in Confederations Cup back in 2009 utimi nya Mohammed
Madi Bembre Mrano contra o say about yeba fie na be fie
and winning the CAF Champions League with
Elali is Erto Africa your greatest player
all time the Abutrika all time even bottom 5 coming for
all time
seriously
Roger Miller Modi Abedi Bebe one.
Yeah, if Abedi could be ahead of fence Abutrika.
See,
yeah,
Abedi from 1993, UEFA Champions League winner. We are no free one man. Even how you see, Pobi Kwampo or projecting an African club internationally. Elali during their days are not moving most trophies. Oh, project you internationally from Africa. Oh, Timmy for Mohammed Abutrika fan chain.
Power Asema okay in December. Abedi Eddie Marseille. Eddie the Champions League. Oh no, lead the point. Marseille player. How be the Champions League new Marseille? Or the Champions League Europe? Brian, I'm telling you, me. Before that, ask yourself as of now, how many friend player team in Champions League? None. Apart from Marseille, Abedi Omageno, no friend team in Champions League. No friend team and IGB. It's a bedding lead. A provide assist. Emma go and ever power. One the better world football and that's African football at that time that been year that time.
Now when say 2008, Abutrika had won the BBC African Football of the Year.
BBC as a
normally we get players. Normally players no much no. There are players who even project from clubs from Europe. No more the the day you didn't win the BBC African Football of the Year by playing for an African club. Mami Kancho said the day you didn't Asamoah didn't win it by playing for an African club. I'm not talking about an African nation.
Mike, listen.
We are talking about Obi Elali.
Mike Mebao, winning BBC on BBC. A bar inclined towards countries or Mukabrofo. And you are French players are here. French Africa for na hena etimi age da BBC African Footballer of the Year award no. De bia no BBC listeners near bie na matoaba. Enti obviously e den say wo free baby aye ka brofo a ubetimi awini say Mohamed Barakat enso ball El Ali edegye eti will you mention Barakat say also the greatest African player now?
He was their captain.
Yes. So share even the greatest ubetimi ni Rojamila Mpo nsinchen. Ubetimi ni George Weah nsinchen say the Madiba kan. Abutrika dey come on Masiaka on this continent there. Yes, local players, yes, he's up there. But see for all time, African players now there be
2016 legendary awards. Mohamed Abutrika was part in 2016. And I'm surprised with me African players Makuma fight for Mohamed Abutrika. Then what is the essence of playing on our local continent and winning the Cup Champions League continually? At times at the point in time winning the top goal scorer.
Let's move on. Table also for Edinburgh. But for me, I see it too as the greatest.
We know me who are almost equal to so hard. It's a media talk my account and so Emmanuel Ember Power Mensa. And one say about corner fee what contribution at war is Samuel Eto'o the greatest player on the continent of Africa.
Well, Power kakra bi on any games cause Europe. Many one group Serbia group no. That's the group B of the qualifiers European championship or because next year. And over Portugal against Serbia. These are two teams that and they are more